Unreleased T. Unreleased T is when we make a T sound, but we don't fully release the sound. So we don't release the T. Sometimes we call this held T because we hold back some of the sound. You will hear unreleased T at the end of a lot of words that end in a T sound. For example, the word can't. We don't usually say can't unless we're being really careful with our pronunciation. Usually it sounds more like can't. I can't go. Here are a few more examples of unreleased T. Sweet. Ah, you're sweet. Cat. Have you met my cat? Front. They're in the front. Paint. I'm gonna paint the house. My advice is to focus on hearing unreleased T. Listen for when other speakers produce this sound. This is the kind of thing that makes fluent speakers difficult to understand. So if you can recognize this sound, it will make it easier for you to understand. I would not worry a lot about making unreleased T sounds. The more fluent you become in English and the more confident you are in your speaking, you will naturally start to do this.